Morning, students. Today at Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, we will be celebrating National Integration Day. So, the National Integration Day falls on November 19th every year, which is the birthday of our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Okay, so why we are celebrating National Integration Day and what are the prominent features and what are the facts we are doing? Okay, so here apart all the Indians under the India, okay, here we'll be doing all the types of activities apart from the caste, creed and religion, and we'll be integrated as a single soul to encourage ourselves. So on this basis, we'll be celebrating National 19th as National Integration Day. So before going into this, certain important facts I'll be letting you know. Kindly have a look at it. Okay, National Integration Day is commended each year to energize individuals about the solidarity, harmony, love, and fellowship among them. To advance the congruity among Indian individuals as opposed to being assorted will be in a position, a variety in Indian culture as far as culture, different dialects, religion, topography, and everything that comes into play. Okay. Next, to unite the adolescents, unite the adolescents and others of different street backgrounds, social, affordable, and instruction to the camp to stir up with one another, comprehend and work in a gathering, to grow better comprehension among adolescents about different recognition, beliefs, and ways of life to fortify the solidarity of individuals in the public arena. So some of the important facts we look into. National Integration Day is commended on 19th November consistently in India. National Integration Day, the birth commemoration of late Srimati Indira Gandhi, who was conceived around the same time. Srimati Indira Gandhi was the principal lady Prime Minister of India and a supporter of world harmony and public honesty. She assumed an indispensable job in fortifying the budgetary just at the social structure of the nation. Schools and government workplaces direct numerous social occasions and camps on the event. National Integration Day praises India's solidarity in decent variety culture and spreads the significance of public trustworthiness. Adolescents from varying background join and commend the day to spread concordance among individuals. Numerous functions are composed all through the nation on the event of National Integration Day. Individuals from every ideological group give proper respect to Indira Gandhi on Shakti Sal, the resting spot at Rajghat, New Delhi. National Integration Day advances concordance and solidarity among the individuals of India. Okay, so today we'll be celebrating the National Integration Day and some of the key points are discussed. On behalf of the management of Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, I wish all of you a happy National Integration Day. Thank you. Thank you all.
Happy National Integration Day.
Happy Manish. Thank you, Manish. Okay. So thank you, students. You have joined very actively. Very good. Kindly go for the CDF, kindly perform it. And thanks a lot, Amrita, madam. Okay. Thank you, madam. We'll wind up this session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Students, as usually, you have a maths drill, no?
Yes,
ma'am Jayashree ma'am will come and log in. Okay, ma'am? You can leave the meeting and rejoin again after 5 minutes.
Okay,
I'm ending the session. Thank you, students. Thank you all who are joined now. Manish, Nitya Shri, Naveen Raj, and Tarun Rahul. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.